During the meeting, Prime Minister Modi directed the Health Ministry officials to undertake emergency planning in consultation with states for a likely scenario of COVID cases in the medium term. The Prime Minister also took note of recommendations of the concerned empowered group on city and district-wise requirements of hospitals and of the isolation beds as the cases continue to mount. It was observed that out of the total cases, 2/3 are in 5 states, with an overwhelming proportion of them in big cities.
प्रधानमंत्री जी सब राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्रियों से संवाद करें। ये टू वे कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहिए, मैं चाहता हूं और होगा भी। और कई राज्यों में स्थिति बहुत गंभीर है, उनको हैंड होल्डिंग की जरूरत है। जितनी उदारता से केंद्र मदद कर पाए, बेहतर संवाद लगातार हो, प्रधानमंत्री जी और मुख्यमंत्री जी के ही लेवल पर ने ब्यूरोक्रेटिक चैनल्स में भी, और उस संवाद में मैं समझता हूं विवाद की जगह कम से कम हो तो वो बेहतर होगा।
Rahul Srivastava now joins us. He's the National Affairs Editor. Rahul, in this particular meeting, the Prime Minister has taken a stock of the situation as it stands when it comes to coronavirus crisis in the entire country. In terms of a plausible solution going forward, given the number of cases that are rising, what has been discussed?
Katie, it was a meeting which is unlike, I will say, any other meeting in the past. Why do I say that? Is that earlier, the meetings used to be reviewed in terms of a wider, broader picture. This time around, what the Prime Minister has looked at is high case load factors, the cities and areas which are reporting high cases. Now, look at the picture, is what the presented to the Prime Minister by Niti Aayog experts, is that 76% of the cases are coming from 6 states, 2/3 of the cases are coming from 5 states, and there are 10 cities which are accounting for the biggest sense of worry and the spike as far as the country is concerned. Now remember, these cities include Delhi, Bombay, Chennai and others, which are also employment hubs, they are business hubs and they are economic hubs. The government has already gone ahead with a certain degree of unlocking with aviation, rail and other elements already in place. Now in case there is a huge spike, the government will be in a dilemma. The center has been slightly withdrawing itself, letting the state decide most of the elements, how to go about fighting COVID-19. In this scenario, any top-down driven lockdown is not expected. What is expected is that the center may definitely come up with better data and also will come up with certain plans to help the state. Because if you see the yesterday's meeting, the Prime Minister took a review for 2 months projections. And this is something, say, for example, Arvind Kejriwal a few days back said that Delhi will have nearly 5 lakh cases by July end. And that is why, day before, 2 days back, there was a meeting by the Cabinet Secretary in which the district-wise availability of beds and fatality mitigation was a key element. And I think that's what is going to be the focus in the coming days, especially when on 16th and 17th, Prime Minister meets the Chief Ministers of the country.
Sure. All right, Rahul Srivastava getting us those details. We'll continue going back to him for more updates and a better perspective on what can be expected in the days to come as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.